Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how you can register with the Bybit crypto exchange. Now, all you need to do is just sit down, pay attention to the video. I'll be giving you step by step on how you can easily do your registration on the Bybit exchange. If there's anything confusing or whatever you don't understand, simply just rewind the video and come back to the points that you need. Now, if you're ready, sit back and relax and let's start the video. Now, let me take you through the steps of how you can actually create an account with the Bybit platform. So I'll be leaving a link in the description. All you need to do, if you don't have an account with Bybit, if you need to create a new account, which I would suggest that you guys do create a new account and join me in my Telegram channel so that we can actually, make some money, make some trades together. All right. So once you click on that link in the description below, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. Once you come to this page where it says Bybit, you'll see the different tools at the top. Where you are interested in is this button right here that says sign up. So you simply click on sign up. Don't forget that Bybit also has the mobile version. So you can also go to either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store to download Bybit so that you can be mobile with it. But for this demonstration, I'm going to do it on the screen, on the computer screen, so they can see how clear it is. On this page, you're simply requested to create an account by providing your email address and a password. This is just for now. Now, it's either you choose the email or you choose the mobile number to create your account. A lot of us actually like to sign up with either Google or your Apple ID. This is also applicable. You can do it here. You can either click on this to automatically have your system import your Google details to register you or create an account with Bybit, or you simply head up to Apple and also do the same thing. Click on it and it will just import your details from your Apple phone and then create the account for you automatically. So right here, if you select the email address, all you need to do is click on it here and just provide the email details that is required and also provide a password that you'll be needing to log into this platform. Then when you're done with that, you simply click on this. Remember, you can either use the email option or the mobile phone option, whichever one that appeals to you. Once you have done that, the next page will ask you to verify your email. Simply go to your email box to find the email that Bybit has sent you. So let me quickly go to my email box. I've come to my email address that I've used in registering the new account. And as you can see, I have the number here. So I'm going to copy this number, which will expire in the next 5 minutes. Then I'll come back here and then I will paste the number here. Once you paste the number, it will automatically recognize the number and then log you in. Okay, so you don't need to do anything after you have keyed in this number. Now, once you have keyed in this number, this is what you'll be facing, or this is what you're going to see in front of your screen. Like I said, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Once you use that link to actually create a new account, you'll be getting a $20 welcome rewards instantly, which you just click here to claim. But in my case, this is for demonstration purpose. I'm not going to do that. Now, the important thing you should note is your user ID, which is this right here. And then your account information is here. Your identity verification will be here. Then it says that my security is low. Now, pay attention to this part of your dashboard. I would suggest immediately you get in here, you go into your account information to make sure that your account, the details you provided are well sorted out, that the details you provided tallies alongside whatever government issued document you have. That is why a lot of people go into trouble or have troubles, carrying out their KYC. Now, once you come into the account information, the first thing you need to do is to come here. Obviously, this is where you are requested to upload your profile picture. You can do that if you want. Now, at the same time, you can set up SMS authentication. Just simply click on this and add your telephone number. What this simply means is whatever serious transactions for security purposes, whenever you have a serious transaction, you'll be notified by SMS to actually authenticate that transaction. Identity verification is equally very, very important. So I would suggest you actually click on this button to carry out your identity verification, otherwise known as the KYC. This is very important. It gives you leverage when you now start operating fully on this platform. Now, after you have done that, you should also do the Google two-factor authentication. This is very easy. All you need to do is use your mobile phone, download the Google 2FA authentication application. Once you have it on your mobile phone, you do the setup and then you're good to go. How to do the setup is very easy. You follow the instructions. You come back here. When you click on it, it will ask you to go through this verification. Once you do this, it will ask you to now set up your Google Authenticator and put in the code that you see from the authenticator into this place. So once you put it in, it is going to bind together and give you more leverage on your security level. Now, I strongly recommend that you do this. Carry out these settings before you continue using this platform. It gives you a lot of leverage. It gives you more flexibility. And then you watch other videos that I've made concerning the Bybit. You'll find some important information that I've left there. You find how you can actually use this platform to make money, use this platform to make passive income that can actually become residual. Now, also, if you're interested in getting my signals on how to trade crypto and how to make money with crypto, I'll leave a link equally in the description where you can join a Telegram that I have created specially for those who are interested in actually making money using Bybit. Okay, so if you're interested in making money using Bybit, check out that link in the description. Click on it, join the group. It's totally free, but you're going to benefit from it. You're going to enjoy from it. But if you have not registered, please endeavor to register before you come join the platform so that you would actually know what you're doing there. All right, so now this is all about how to create a brand new account or how to create an account with the Bybit platform. And then my other videos show how you can start trading, how you can start using the different products that Bybit has to offer, and also how you can start earning some money on the passive end. Bybit also gives you a lot of leverage. For instance, use my code and then you get some rebates or you get some USDT credited into your account immediately you use the code. So if you're interested in that as well, the link will also be in the description below this video. Now, thank you for watching. This is the first time you're joining my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, I'm saying a very big thank you to you. You're my champion. Don't forget to share this video. And one important thing that you need to do for this video to reach other people who have similar interests as you and I is to simply give a thumbs up to this video. If you also have any questions you want me to answer concerning the cryptocurrency and the Bybit, simply leave that question in the comment section. I would love to hear from you.